Some animals are able to sense and use the Earth's magnetic field. Humans are attracted to gossip because it helps us gain an understanding of the group at large. Attraction is something that draws attention. It has a pull that cannot be ignored. The idea that opposites attract comes from magnets. The Earth itself is a giant magnet. Its magnetic poles differ from the geographic ones because they're constantly shifting. Every 200,000 years, the poles flip. 80% of people believe opposites attract, though most couples show an 86% similarity rate. The theory of assortative mating finds that people tend to be attracted to those with similar traits. Attraction makes us fall, both physically and metaphorically. Gravity's pull becomes greater the greater the mass of an object, hence why we stick to the Earth but not to each other. Although gravity holds the universe together, it's also the weakest force we know of. We overcome it daily when we pick up a cup or take a step. When we fall in love, the initial stage of intense attraction is influenced by the brain pathways that control reward behaviour. Attraction increases dopamine, which decreases appetite and causes insomnia, and decreases serotonin. Attraction has a strong evolutionary basis. Humans are born with an innate preference for sugar and fat, an indication of our ancestral need to survive off sugar-rich foods. Meanwhile, bitterness, traditionally pointed to food that is rotten, diseased, or toxic. Many unnatural flavours like bitter, spicy, and fizzy have made their way into our diet, paired with something familiar to ease transition. We are instinctively drawn towards health. Bad odours are consistently named one of the top turn-offs for first dates. Garlic is often pointed to as a marker of bad breath, but increased garlic consumption has been found to make people's natural scent more attractive, likely because garlic increases antioxidants and kills harmful bacteria. Female salamanders are more attracted to males that eat high-nutrition diets. Finding musicians attractive has a scientific basis. Darwin believed that the motor and cognitive skills required to make music point to good genes. Being considered attractive has a socio-cultural impact. The halo effect sees physically attractive people be perceived as kinder, more intelligent, and more trustworthy. This can have serious consequences when it comes to criminal sentencing. People perceived as physically unattractive receive sentences that are 119 to 304% more severe. Language offers many terms to describe attractiveness. Beautiful appeals to the same sensibilities that draw us to art, falling into the emotional and intellectual sphere. The more bodily descriptions, such as sexy and hot, speak towards a physical desire. Cute is more infantile. Humans evolved to find babies cute, so they'd be inclined to protect them. Over thousands of years of domestication, pets have also evolved to suit human ideals of cuteness. Humans spend between 30 to 60% of the time looking at each other, the variation influenced by attraction. When we are attracted to someone, our bodies respond by trying to make us attractive to the potential mate. Our heart rate also increases. Inversely, one study found that increasing participants' heart rate made strangers seem more attractive. Universally, we're inclined to find available body language highly attractive. Laughter is a good indicator of mutual attraction. So is phonetic convergence, when two people's speech patterns start sounding similar. People tend to speak in a lower pitch when talking to someone they're attracted to. The competitive nature of attraction leads to mating rituals. Many animals use scent to increase their likelihood of succeeding via pheromones, chemical signals of communication. Female moths express a sex pheromone that creates a trail for potential mates to follow. Humans go on dates, following unspoken rules of engagement. Bowerbirds build elaborately decorated twig structures. Pufferfish spend days making ornate patterns in the sand. The great grey shrike impales insects, small reptiles and small mammals on sticks to present to potential mates. Song and dance is a popular method of developing attraction. The lyrebird sings a mating song that mimics everything from other types of birdsong to chainsaws. Water boatmen sing a love song that can reach 99 decibels. The start of a relationship is marked by intense attraction. Infatuation comes from unknowing, a fascination caused by unpredictable behaviours. Many romantic songs, movies and books revolve around the concept of love at first sight. Carl Jung suggests that this comes down to projection. People become attracted to strangers they recognise themselves in. For Jung, moving past the projection stage is a necessary step in forming healthy adult bonds. Colour plays an important role in attraction. 85% of shoppers named colour the primary reason behind purchasing a product. Red signals urgency, orange works for calls to action, green is effective as a buy button. Research even found that hot chocolate tastes better when served in an orange or cream coloured cup, rather than a red or white one. The culture of attraction brought us amusement parks. These play on our attraction to that which is bizarre, unknown, or exhilarating, anything to draw a crowd. In the 1930s, one man even put living babies in incubators on display. Humans often experience attraction towards that which is taboo, forbidden. We are intrigued by the prospect of good versus evil. Negative gossip about celebrities has been found to light up the reward centre in our brains. Our morbid curiosity towards crime comes down to the way witnessing terrible deeds floods us with adrenaline. It is the same feeling that attracts us to roller coasters, kink, and horror films. Breaking the rules plays into the allure of reverse psychology. Art and stories explore humans' attraction to sin. Lust is often portrayed as darkly seductive. Series protagonists are often tempted to join the dark side. Their heroic struggle comes from rejecting this powerful attraction. Attraction is both evolutionary and learned, innate and societal. In some instances, we can teach ourselves to relearn our standards. In others, we have no control. Attraction is that which holds the universe together. It ensures the survival of all species. By understanding what attraction is and what its consequences are, we can better understand ourselves and everything that pulls us.